Hi, this is our mini project entitled Determination of Carbamate Pesticides in Vegetables. This is our team members. For the introduction, carbamate is widely used as pesticide around the world, especially China. China is the largest vegetable producer and recorded to has the high vegetable supply per capita. Carbamate also can act as carcinogenic substance as being studied on rats and hamsters via oral administration, injection, application through the skin. For the problem statements, the persistence of carbamate residues in vegetables can contribute to environmental contamination and disrupt ecological balance. The inadequate monitoring of carbamate residues in vegetables poses a potential threat to public health, as consumers may unknowingly be exposed to harmful levels of these pesticides. The aim of this project is to address both human health and environmental concerns associated with carbamate contamination in vegetables. For the objectives is to determine the concentration of carbamate residues in various vegetables, to assess the extent of contamination in the food supply chain. For the scopes of study, we choose Maiden Gong Badak as the source of our samples due to the well-known position of the supermarket by the Kuala Lumpur citizen. The significance of studying carbamates in vegetables concerning human health lies in evaluating potential health risks associated with their consumption. High carbamate residue may have adverse effects on human health, including acute toxicity and potential long-term effects such as chronic diseases. Comprehensive studies help establish safe consumption level and inform regulatory measures safeguard public health.
Based on Article 2021, the efficient method for simultaneous determination of carbamate pesticides in vegetables was based on purifying and enriching by solid phase microextraction or SPME. The best purification and enrichment parameters of 0.2 gram hollow fiber in 10 ml of extraction solution are pH value of 6. 35 minutes of extraction time, 50 degrees Celsius of extraction temperature, 1.5 gram of NaCl and 2 ml of acetonitrile contains 5% of formic acid as eluent. According to Article 2019, stated that a multi-residue method for determining carbamate pesticides in vegetables employing multi-plug filtration cleanup. For methodology, we bought 0.5 kilogram of tomatoes, cucumbers, and eggplants in supermarket, and we will slice into small pieces without washing to get maximum concentration of analyte. And the second step is all the samples are put into blender with a metal blade to homogenize the sample. For solid phase treatment, methyl orthosilicate is added into methanol, and then 30% of HCl is added while it is stirred and let it aging for 24 hours at room temperature. Then it is completely hydrolyzed methyl orthosilicate into silica sol, and then PP hollow fiber with a length of 5 mm is immersed in silica sol. The last step of solid phase treatment, after ultrasonic vibration at room temperature for 40 minutes, the HF is taken out from the sol and dried at 100 degrees Celsius in oven. We move to solid phase microextraction. 5 grams of each homogeneous sample is put into a 50 ml centrifuge tube with cover, and 10 ml of acetonitrile is added as solvent. Then it is rolled on a vortex oscillator for 1 minute. 5 ml of methanol is added and ultrasonically oscillate for 20 minutes. Then distilled water is added to make the solution volume up to 60 ml and put into ice bath. After that, 8 ml of supernatant sample solution is added and put into another 50 ml centrifuge tubes. 1.5 gram of NaCl is added into the same centrifuge tube and shake. The pH is adjusted to 6 value and distilled water is added to make 10 ml of solutions, since we want to make the solution basic. 0.2 gram of hollow fiber is immersed in the solution and ultrasonic extraction is performed at 50 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Then the hollow fiber is transferred into test tube. For sample pre-concentration, the solution is boiled dry with nitrogen, 0.5 ml of methanol and water with ratio 1:1. Solution is added along the tube wall to dissolve the analytes. The analytes is filtered through 2 MPFC deep filtration cleanup. Filter is ready to use and run the HPLC-GC instrument. For expected results, we expect the concentration of carbamate pesticides in vegetables is low, since not all the pesticides are absorbed by the vegetables. Plus, all the vegetables have been go through all the security inspection before being sold to consumers. The carbamate pesticides may leach into the soil during precipitation.
In conclusion, at the end of this research, we hope that we will be able to find out the most accurate result on the concentration of carbamate in vegetables. This is to reduce the exposure of human and environment to the effect of carbamate and bring out some ways to decrease the use of carbamate in farm industry. These are the list of references of this research. That's all from us. Thank you.